Introducing the Narwal Freo Z10 Ultra, a robot vacuum and mop that combines powerful suction, smart AI, and hands-free convenience into one sleek cleaning solution. At the heart of the Z10 Ultra is NarMind Pro, an AI-powered system with dual cameras that can recognize over 200 household objects. This means it doesn't just avoid obstacles. It intelligently adapts cleaning strategies in real time for truly personalized floor care. When it comes to raw performance, the Z10 Ultra packs a serious punch with 18,000 pascals suction power. From everyday dust to stubborn debris, it handles it all with ease. And thanks to its adaptive hot water mop system, which heats water between 45 and 75 degrees Celsius, it sanitizes floors while removing tough stains. With this, it's capable of handling both wet and dry cleaning effortlessly. Corners and edges are no longer a problem, thanks to zero-gap edge and corner cleaning technology. Smart extending mops work hand-in-hand with AI navigation to cover every inch, eliminating blind spots along walls and in tight spaces. Pet owners will especially appreciate the Tangle-free brush design. The conical roller combined with 120-degree V-shaped side brushes keeps hair from wrapping, reducing maintenance and keeping suction at maximum power. Despite all this strength, the Z10 Ultra is impressively quiet. It intelligently adjusts its noise levels, running in whisper mode on clean floors, then ramping up to full suction only when stubborn dirt is detected. Control is seamless too. With support for 30+ voice commands in English, German, and Korean, plus full smart home integration, you can control cleaning with just your voice. But where this robot really shines is its all-in-one base station. It features a 2.5-liter dustbin that gives you up to 120 days of hands-free cleaning. After every run, the station empties the vacuum, washes the mop with hot water, and then dries it with 40-degree hot air to prevent odors and bacteria buildup. It also features smart carpet detection. Whether it's low-pile carpets or delicate area rugs, the Z10 Ultra automatically adjusts suction strength and mopping patterns for the best results without damaging fabrics. In short, the Narwal Freo Z10 Ultra is more than just a cleaning device. It's a complete, intelligent home assistant. With powerful suction, hot water mopping, AI-powered navigation, and one of the most advanced self-cleaning stations on the market, it takes nearly all the work out of keeping your home spotless. If you're looking for a robot vacuum and mop that combines intelligence, convenience, and raw power, the Z10 Ultra should be at the very top of your list.